Hello, welcome back. Before getting busy with Python, we'll first have to install it. If you've never installed Python onto your system, simply open your browser and visit www.python.org and navigate to the Download section. Notice before downloading that Python versions 3.9 cannot be used on Windows 7 or earlier Windows versions. For Windows 7 users, browse through Python's changelogs and download version 3.8 and earlier. When installing, be sure to check the Add Python 3.9 to Path checkbox. But if you don't do that, we'll see what happens shortly. In my case, I'll ignore and proceed with the installation for tutorial purposes. Patiently wait for the installation to complete. We then close the installation window and launch Python. It launches all right. But when we inquire about the version, just to be sure Python is installed, we get nothing back. We had missed checking the path box, so we have to add Python to path manually. So we click on the Start button, type in path and opt in to edit environment variables. Click Environment Variables. We want Python command prompt to be accessible to all users. So instead of placing our path under the user variables, we'll add it to the system variables. So, we click on New. At this point, it is important to follow every step to the letter. Under variable name, type in path, with a capital P. Don't use any other name. The variable value box is filled with the installation path of the program. So to do the same, click on the Browse directory and navigate to the Python installation folder. However, for the sake of easy visibility, we'll use the File Explorer. So, navigate to the local disk C, to the Users folder, Current User, App Data, Local, Programs, Python. Then into Python 3.9 folder, hence the Python 39. Once there, click on the right end of the directory bar and copy the path. Paste the same and append a semicolon because we need to add one more path, that is, the scripts path. The scripts folder contains pip, which is used to install additional Python modules via the command prompt. If not added, the Python libraries cannot be installed. Copy, then paste the same. Click OK to save changes made to the new system variable. Then click OK to add the path to the system variables. It takes some seconds to update the path entry, so you could close the windows to buy some time. In some computers, a restart could be required. We query the Python version and it gets returned. And to confirm that our scripts folder was added, we could navigate back there, open the command prompt from the directory or copy the directory path. Paste it to the command prompt and install a package. We will install Selenium just for illustration. The package gets installed. And we have installed Python and added it to Path. So now you have it. Subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon while at it, and you'll get notified of the next and subsequent educational videos uploads.